Are you tired of manually posting to social media every day? What if you could schedule your posts in advance and have them go live automatically while you're enjoying a cocktail on the beach? Welcome back to myaperks.com. My name is Miriam and today we're diving deep into Buffer. It's a tool I personally love for scheduling and managing social media posts. While I'm not sponsored by Buffer, I can confidently recommend it based on my own experience with it. Let's get started. First things first, let's set up your Buffer account. Head over to buffer.com and click on Get Started for free. You'll be prompted to create an account using your email or login with Google or Facebook. Once you've signed up, Buffer will guide you through the setup process. Select the social media platforms you want to manage. I connected my Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn account here. With the free plan, you can connect up to 3 accounts and schedule up to 10 posts in advance for each account. For me, the free version of Buffer is just right because I don't schedule more than 10 posts per profile in advance. So in my opinion, it's a perfect tool for small businesses or personal use. Now, let's take a tour of the Buffer dashboard. Here you can see your connected accounts and the calendar view of your scheduled posts. It's incredibly user-friendly, which makes it easy to visualize your content plan. In the queue section, you'll find all your scheduled posts. Buffer also provides basic analytics to help you understand engagement patterns. This feature helps you to identify the best times to post for maximum reach and interaction. Now, let's create a post. Click on the Create Post button. Select the accounts you want to publish to and start crafting your message. You can add images, videos, or links to make your post more engaging. Buffer also offers an AI assistant. It's not just a tool, it's a personal content creation sidekick. It offers instant suggestions to quickly generate engaging posts, translations, and much more. Take a moment to play around with it. Once your post is ready, use the scheduling feature to choose a date and time. Buffer's algorithm suggests optimal posting times based on past engagement data. Take advantage of this to maximize your visibility. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some pros and cons of using Buffer. For the pros, Buffer has a user-friendly interface that integrates seamlessly with major social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, now X, YouTube, and LinkedIn. It includes basic analytics, even in the free plan, to help optimize your posting schedule. Now let's talk about the cons. The free plan limits you to 10 scheduled posts per profile, which might be restrictive for heavy users. Some advanced features are reserved for paid plans as well, so this might be another restriction. And that's it for our introduction into Buffer. I hope this guide helps you streamline your social media management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. You might also like some other videos I made around AI tools over here. See you soon!